So hello guys, welcome again. This is the disclaimer. So this is today's comparison video between both the versions of Kalashnikov. So today also there is slight P&L difference between both the versions, but again this is due to slippage only. Here in original strategy there is little bit more slippage than this modified version with ATR. So, and again there is no put side trade taken in this, only two call side trades were taken, and we can say that we exited coast to coast. We ended the day with no loss no profit kind of thing. So let's compare both the entries. So here at 9:20 we entered at 271 and exited at 10:05 and 10:06 at 277 and 289 price respectively. And in original version also 271 is entry at 9:20 and 277 and 289 are the exit prices at respective times of 10:05 and 10:06. While in original strategy the second entry again in call side is taken at 10:10, exit are 10:40 and 10:40, and entry price was 254. So here in modified version entry price is 252. So here lies the difference, the 200 rupees P&L difference. As you can see, entry timings are kind of similar, 10, 10 and 6 seconds. In original version also 10, 10 and 6 seconds. But while this version executed the trade, at that time the bid ask price was at around 254 market price. So it entered at 254 quantity. So due to that, and here this entered at 252. So 200 points difference is from this only. Another all the things are same. So let's check this on chart. First entry is 9:20 and another is 10:10. So let's check that. This is the chart for today's. So first entry, okay, is on this candle at 9:20. So why this entry was taken? So here this candle crossed above RSI 40 level, and the 9:15 our first candle, today's first candle, its low was below the high of this RSI cross candle high. Its low was below that, and 9:20 candle broken the high of our trigger candle, we can say. So due to this we took entry at 9:20. I am explaining these entries because today's put side entries didn't trigger due to this condition which we have kept. So here was our entry, and this should be our SL. This trigger candle and the entry candle low, lowest low value of both of these should be our SL, and 1:1 target achieved somewhere here. So let's see whether 1:1 is achieved or no. So it seems like we did exited due to this SMA condition, that previous candle closed below SMA 10. So due to this we exited it around 10:05 and 10:06 levels, and after that another entry was at in next candle, because as you can see here this candle has crossed above RSI 60 level, and our entry satisfied here, which exited in loss on this candle, it seems like. So let's calculate this value also. So it's around 95 and ATR at 57. So it's obvious that entry satisfies on both the conditions. Here also this is 141 ranges and ATR is at 56. So 56 into 2.3. It seems like some mistake. Let me turn magnet mode on and calculate exact points. So exactly it is 133.85 range, and ATR value is exact 56.93. So let's check that. 56.93 into 2.3, which comes at 130.939. So it seems like while we executed our trade, the BankNifty price must have gone above this candle high, and it should be somewhere slightly below this trigger candle high, so that our ATR condition also got fulfilled. If you want to check, let's go to the notification logs. So this is the notification logs. We will open notification log of 9:20. If we can find something like what was the ATR value and what was the high low value at that time. So on first page it's not there. Let's check on second page. Okay, this is for yesterday's entries. Okay, this seems like 9:20 entry, so let's check this. Okay, time is greater than this entry by quantity, that's also okay. So LTP was at 43308. okay, as I crossed above, this value was 43299. So LTP was somewhere around here, 43308. So if you calculate from this, because at time our entry got satisfied, we were around this level, 43308. So if we calculate points range from our entry point to our SL level, then it's 103. So it's way beyond ATR into 2.3. That's why our entry got satisfied at this level, and we entered the trade. So that's why I always tell people to check notification logs first. Most of the data is there. Now another thing which I wanted to share with you guys, that why our put entry didn't get satisfied, because we have kept the condition that whichever candle cross RSI 40 level, so it will be our level to check if next candle or any other candle after that RSI crossed below 40, its high should be above that trigger candle low. So now this candle crossed below RSI 40. So, and if you check the high of the candle, let me mark properly so that you guys can know which is the entry point. So this is our, if we say, yes, this is our trigger candle low which crossed below RSI 40. Now whichever candle closes below all the three moving averages while RSI is still below 40 level, that candle high should be above this low. Then and then only our entry got satisfied. This was entered by me in code to avoid entry and exit while we have large gap up and gap downs. So this code was introduced for that purpose. Otherwise SL and target would be way bigger than what is achievable in intraday normally. So due to this reason, today's put entries didn't satisfy. So this thing I wanted to clarify, because I guess this must be in some people's mind, this doubt that why didn't it trigger put entry. If you remove this condition that previous candle high should be above this whichever candle crossed below RSI 40, it's low. Let me show it in the code actually, so that you guys can actually understand what I am trying to say. This code actually was introduced for big gap up and gap down days. So for put side entries, I am talking about this condition that previous candle high should be greater than whichever candle crossed below RSI 40 and it's low. So if, as you can see, this candle has crossed below all the three moving averages. So if this candle high would have been above this low, our entry would have been satisfied on this candle after LTP goes below this low. No, I mean the low of the candle which crossed below RSI. So after this candle closes, our entry would have been satisfied after this candle closes. But due to this reason, our put side entry didn't trigger. So if you want to remove this, because we have already now introduced the ATR based condition in modified version. So in modified version you can remove this. You can remove that condition. In original version, I will suggest that you keep that as it is. So you do that. Otherwise, 1:1 one ratio will always easily be achieved in this kind of trades. And if you are following this strategy manually, then also you would have taken this trade if you want to, because you know that SL is very small, like only 56 points in index. So I hope this clarifies today's comparison video. I am waiting for some big candle days so that we can get actual to know actual benefit of this ATR condition. So till now, after we have created this ATR based condition, we have got most of the similar days only, where ATR condition is also satisfied in original strategy, and so both the trades are same. So let's see. So thank you.